This may not be the Carolina throat yogurt, but it's yogurt that goes in your throat, and it's not bad.
It actually has yogurt.
Yeah, literally, yogurt. Yeah.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. We are making a cocktail.
Okay,
That's what we do.
ask what we're doing.
Oh, well, no, you can't ask what we're doing. I'm going to fill in all the empty space of awkwardness with words.
Do it.
That's what I do.
All right.
I've been doing that for 10 years now. This cocktail is called the Cariño. This was submitted by Eric van Beek, who's the head bartender of Hotel 27. This is a contest winner in the Bacardi Legacy Contest for 2018 in Netherlands. So that means that this cocktail that Eric has designed moves on to the global, whatever the special thing is for people who like do really well, like the global competition.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And what's more awesome is Eric submitted it to me directly, which is pretty freaking cool. And you can Google Eric van Beek, and you'll see this.
It's not so easy to take a milliliter out of a bottle.
Yeah. Okay. So a little backstory on what Ian's doing, like really all crazy over here, is Eric, because he's not in the U.S., is not working with ounces. And if anybody has ever worked with milliliters, what you'll know is milliliters are fucking awesome. And what we have
What you
sucks.
also know is we don't do it in the U.S.
We don't do it in the U.S. So I have all kinds of tools and like fucking beakers and shit to handle milliliters because we use milliliters for things that we can't talk about in public.
Oh. Holy crap. Nice save.
It's cool. It's cool. No big deal.
It was like you had a basketball in your hand and you were just bouncing it.
I totally wanted to say something about the fact that I broke that bourbon bottle and you're just being like me. But I dropped the ball. I was like just so fucking surprised.
This is totally a blooper night.
Alright, so let me get some housekeeping done. Here's the recipe. The recipe for the Cariño is 50 ml of Bacardi 8 años, 30 ml of Greek yogurt, 5% fat, 2 heaping bar spoons. 20 ml vanilla syrup, 10 ml lemon juice, 5 ml yellow chartreuse, which he was working on, and then the nutmeg garnish. You shake it, you put it into a coupe. I don't even know what size coupe. So 50 ml is almost an ounce. So 50, 60, so that's 1 ounce, 30, 40, 50. So it's 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces. This drink is fine. You can fit this in a 4.5 ounce coupe glass. What the fuck?
Getting away 10 mils.
I would normally tell you what Ian's doing, but I can't even tell you what Ian's doing. What? So
he's just adding.
He's juicing into a beaker. And it's funny. This is funny. Meep meep. So, but the beaker's measured for 20°C, so I don't know if we're at the right temperature for a resolution of the beaker.
You need to be in Fahrenheit.
I don't think we got 20 mils of this stuff.
Dude, we have to have 20 mils.
That's like an ounce.
No, it's not an ounce. It's not even a half ounce.
Look at your OXO.
Dude, 30 mils is an ounce. 20 mils is not an ounce. How is it going?
We don't quite have 20 mils.
How much do we have? It's close, right?
18. Yeah, this is pretty close.
Fucking 18. That's close. You just leave that like that for a while. So, our executive producer is Jonathan Dunn. You can submit... What am I saying? You can become an executive producer if you'd like to. Go to patreon.com/CMC. Patreon is a service where you can pay us on a monthly basis, a small fee, $3, $5, $10, whatever, and we get that monthly from you. And it's kind of like you were watching ads, but you weren't. And now you can skip all the ads like you are already and not feel bad about it. So, Greek yogurt. This is what makes this drink so weird, because most people don't use Greek yogurt in a cocktail.
Heaping bar spoons, right?
Heaping bar spoons.
As much as I can get, is that the idea? Or is that's heaping?
That's probably heap, yeah. I've never seen Greek yogurt used in a cocktail.
It
but
floats. In case anyone wants to know, it floats.
It does, yes.
Yogurt floats?
It says 5% fat.
High fat?
Didn't know that.
So 5% fat.
Learn something new every day.
I did the math while I was there, because there was a 0%.
Get off the spoon!
Right? And there was a 2%
like
fat.
working with honey, Ian?
With the 2% fat,
Still better than honey.
the 2% fat was almost half of what this is in fat, so I knew this must be about 5%. That's how I did my math.
There you go.
I'm the only idiot that's sitting in the refrigerated aisle at the grocery store doing math on nutrition facts.
Fat math on yogurt.
Yeah, it's just weird.
You should taste Bear Extension.
We may have. Is that the one that we got from Christoph?
No.
We got 2 gins from Christoph, didn't we?
We did. I don't think they were that, though. They could have been.
We have Hernio, or Herno, or Hernu, depending if you use the German word for O, umlaut, which would be or we have...
It's the one that came in the...
Heaven, H-V-E-N. Heaven.
That looks like milk.
Yeah.
Make sure you put that on there.
Okay, Brian.
Okay. How's you going with that book, Brian?
Good.
Got some pages there.
Good pages. Got a origin story.
Did you see the? You didn't see the comment, did you? No. So somebody's like, "Oh, did I just hear a Family Guy reference?" And I was like, "Mama, Mama."
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Mama. And he's like, "What?" I'm like, "It's from Family Guy." He's like, "I know. I'm doing the what part." I'm like, "Oh, damn it!"
He got you. He got you. Yeah.
I was
What?
Hi.
Laughing.
It's a good show. It's kind of like Adventure Time.
Mama. Mum.
Mummy.
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 Ma.
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 What?
Hi.
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 That yogurt in your throat.
Greek yogurt. Ooh, I like Greek yogurt.
This is one of those times it's probably not good to have a mustache. I don't know if I want yogurt on my stash.
I shave
Fine,
myself.
Suck it off, Ian.
Just shave yourself. I shave everything. It's all gone.
Shave yourself.
This is all I don't shave.
Shave.
It's like saving
Shave.
yourself, but it's shaving.
Other than my
Shave
chest,
yourself.
arms, and legs, I don't shave my beard.
Shave chest. I shave my arms up to my tattoo.
Do the math. That's not bad.
You can't do that. I can't remember what you said.
I guess you're gonna have to watch again.
I'm gonna have to.
Get those view
I
counts
will
up.
edit it, so then I'll see
Yeah,
it,
you'll
and
see
I'll
it.
be like, "Oh, I get it now." This is good.
Yeah, what's more? Here, what's more? Get your face in there.
I can't do that. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, Mom.
Ma, 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 ma.
Mummy. Ma. Ma.
It has distinct.
Yogurt flavor.
Yeah, but it's not the yogurt. It's the yogurt flavor.
It is tangy.
It's
Well,
that.
it's Greek yogurt. So.
It's that dry bite.
It
That
doesn't taste like ass though.
No. What?
This
What?
is a joke. This is a joke.
Okay.
You know the saying the Greeks have: never leave your friends behind.
No, I didn't know that, but
Okay.
now I do. Thanks for enlightening me.
You're welcome.
I don't even know what's going on. So endearment. That's what cariño means in
How do
Spanish.
you guys feel about Tipsy Bartender?
He's cool.
How do we feel about Tipsy Bartender, says the live stream? I know Sky. I haven't called him actually in a couple months. But we keep in contact every now and then, see how things are going. I know Sky's definitely now all in on Facebook, so his YouTube channel's gone down, but I don't think he cares. Because he makes more money, I think, on Facebook. Because he's big enough that he's got, I think, a partnership with somebody that can actually make money on Facebook, where I just post stuff on Facebook and everybody ignores me and I make no money with it. This is a generalization
That's how
of
things
all of the
work.
comment stuff.
Well, he took a different avenue.
Yeah, I mean, it's when you have nice looking women on your show. Like I have Ian. Like I'm only gonna grow
So what
so
you're
big.
saying is you should be doing a lot better. I have no idea why not.
You did true cocktails. He did
Right.
cocktails.
Yeah.
Party cocktails, and I have nothing. There's no problems with Tipsy's channel. The best thing he ever does is drive views to me. I'm more upset with like cocktail chemistry because he gets so much more views than either of us for whatever reason, and neither of us can figure out why. But like at least with his, you get the women, you got all that stuff. What bothers me is when we go to like Dan and Jay's and Jalitha's friend is like, "Oh, there's this guy Tipsy Bartender." I'm like, "Fuck! Really? You don't know who I am, but you know that guy." Because it was like a chocolatey, crazy
Yeah, I
drink.
forget
It wasn't really that great, but
Yeah.
it didn't really matter. Like it's chocolate candy drinks.
Right, and that's really not.
There's a big audience
our
for
speed.
it.
Yeah.
Right.
It's all about what the audience is and craft cocktails.
Right, and I just don't feel
And
like
have a
I'd
smaller
keep
audience.
going if I'd rather have a smaller audience and struggle than to do something I really don't get anything out of.
You don't want to sell out.
No, I don't mind selling
You
out.
don't care. You don't really care.
I'll sell the fuck out right now if somebody gives me something to buy. I had somebody, I don't remember, I said something on I did something in a video once and somebody's like, "Oh, you must be getting paid." Oh, I did a
Thanks,
Snapchat of a beer when we were at the Patriots game. And I'm like, "That's what I'm drinking." Everybody's like, "Oh, how much did they pay you for that?" I'm like, "Fuck you! I wish you were paying me for this. I would do this 7 more times."
Just sharing, just letting you in on what's
This
going
is just
on.
what I'm doing. I would love to get paid for it.
No, Derek doesn't mind cocktail chemistry. They're like, you don't like cocktail
Oh no,
chemistry?
I've talked to Nick as well. I don't like that he's doing better in the in subscribers and viewers than me. He can put out an old fashioned, a drink that's not really that exciting. It's been around for a little while, and he'll get 50,000 views. If I put it out an old fashioned, I'll probably get 800 total. views. Not 800,000.
I don't know if I've seen Cocktail Chemistry. Does he have a different production type or?
It's a little lower, but
Lower.
it doesn't matter. He got what happened is he put out a flaming ice sphere. The smoking ice sphere. You put smoke in the ice sphere. It's basic chemistry. Like you make an ice sphere that's not fully frozen, so it's a hole in the middle. You put smoke in there, and then you break it when you make a cocktail. Smoke flies out.
So it was a cool.
It was cool. It's not practical, but it got on a big blog, and everybody shared it and went everywhere. His Facebook page exploded. He got like hundreds of thousands of viewers.
Yeah,
those flow over into his YouTube page.
Crazy, yeah.
Bombs up to like 200 and something thousand in 1 year. Right? I'm almost at 100,000. 10 years. Right? 1 year he's doubled me.
Yeah.
That makes me upset. I don't mind Nick. He's a cool guy. I hope he does well.
Yeah, right.
And he's not doing it a full-time job. He's just doing it because he thought it would be cool.
You're just envious of the success.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I could be jealous.
Yeah.
If he was here, I might kick him in the groin line.
You were just
But-
telling me how jealous you were of my penis earlier, so yeah, it
So
happens.
you can relate.
I can relate. He likes all the wrinkles.
And we come right back around.
Right back around. See how we do that? Like a record.
I like this cocktail a lot.
Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
David's here.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, David, how you doing?
We got donations coming in on Super Chat, so that's 2 smacks of the hair. Holy shit. I'm
That was a beat down. That wasn't a good one. It's
well,
like I
my
come
hand
down
went
on
wrong.
it, and you're like,
Well, that's your problem. I just fell
I
over.
gotta- yeah, I know.
But I like this cocktail.
What's up, David?
I could drink this all day.
It's pretty good.
I like the Greek yogurt
It's
flavor.
got like
profile.
it. Yeah,
I like it.
It's tangy.
Yeah, it's got that little dry bite that comes in, but it's not like
Yeah.
egg white. It's
I
got a
saw
little.
yogurt and I'm like, oh, is that Bowl's yogurt stuff still good? It's probably been here for. And then I realized it was real yogurt.
No, this is so much better.
Yeah.
I don't know what. It's just so tasty. It's the tartaric acid. Tartaric.
Tartaric.
Is that the right one? No.
Tartaric.
What do you lactic acid. That's what I was
David
trying
likes
to say.
your hat.
Lactic acid.
I do too. Thank you, David.
Now.
I got it at a Ren Fair. I'm gonna work a steampunk theme for the next Comic Con, hopefully.
Nerd. All right. So we've droned on about all kinds of stuff you might not care
I
about.
don't even want to know how nerdy.
So like and subscribe to this if I didn't already tell you. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I said anything that was related to the show. You can use coupon code FEB18 to save 18% off at AwesomeDrinks.com, where you can get coupe glasses, bartender starter kit, all kinds of cool stuff
All the good
for your cocktails. Go to learn.awesomedrinks.com to learn more about making cocktails. I urge you to go there and watch some of the content and become smarter. Get some wrinkles in your brain.
Come back around.
Yep.
Love it.
All right. Sidebar, you can watch more videos and playlists from yours truly's. And with or without hats, I don't know.
Just don't turn it up to 4K because you're gonna get like all the dog hair.
I can't afford a 4K camera.
No, I mean the people, or don't turn it up to high.
They can turn up to 4K all they want. It's still
Don't go,
1080p.
don't go 60 frames per second. It's gonna just be.
60 frames per second has nothing to do with how much
Shut up!
resolution
I don't know. You don't want the clarity. It's like Cameron Diaz in high def. You don't want it. Sorry, Cameron Diaz. I love you.
Well.
That was pretty good. I'm gonna have to use that someplace. All right. Down below is the bartender starter kit. We're teaching you how to drink.